Hi everyone, and welcome to Authentic Traditional Chinese Medicine. I'm Dr. Pao. Today we are exploring a question that deeply troubling many families. Why are so many teenagers feeling anxious, irritable, and emotionally overwhelmed? Could it be their smartphones? Is it the endless scrolling on apps like TikTok or Instagram that's quietly affecting their mental health? Let's start with what science is seeing. A 2025 study from the University of South Florida found that teens who post frequently on social media are twice as likely to show signs of depression. Anxiety rates also nearly doubled. Another study of German teens showed a clear trend. Teens using smartphones over 3 hours a day reported much lower life satisfaction, dropping from 8.2 to 6.4 on a 10-point scale. Psychologist Jonathan Haidt calls this the rise of the anxious generation. Childhood has moved indoors from play and social interaction to screens and scrolling. His advice includes wait until high school to give your child a smartphone. Delay social media until at least age 16. Keep devices out of bedrooms for better sleep. So, where does TCM come in? In TCM, we look at what's happening underneath emotionally, energetically, and spiritually. The real issue isn't just the smartphone. It's what we call the discriminating mind. That part of us always comparing looks, likes, grades, lifestyles. Teens scroll through curated shots of other people's lives and start feeling small, unworthy, or left behind. This disturbs the shen, or mind. In TCM, we say the heart governs the mind. When the mind is unsettled, the heart can't anchor the spirit, and imbalance spreads through the body. Different emotions affect different organs. Excess joy harms the heart, anger harms the liver, worry weakens the spleen, fear damages the kidneys, grief and sadness harm the lungs. Over time, this shows up as insomnia, digestive dysfunction, headaches, or chronic fatigue. So, what can we do? Here are a few TCM-based tips for anxiety and poor sleep. 酸枣仁汤 plus a warm foot soak at night. For irritability or jealousy, 柴胡疏肝散 and journaling one emotion per day. For low self-esteem, set 3 small daily goals to rebuild confidence. For screen addiction, try 1 digital free a week with family connection. You can also use Acupressure, Heart 7, shen, and Pericardium 6, 内关, to calm the heart, soothe qi, and settle the mind. Use Do 20, 百会, and Yin Tang to promote mental clarity and calm the spirit. Parents, here's your role. Set daily screen limits under 2 hours. Create phone-free time after meals. Help teens name their emotions clearly. Offer joy-based alternatives like art, music, or sports. Remember, the smartphone isn't the root cause of anxiety. It's the restless heart. In TCM, we say, heart houses mind. When the heart is calm, the mind is clear. Let's guide our teens back to the peaceful mind, gently, wisely, and together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.